5 Best Mop for Vinyl Plank Floors Reviews. Number 1. Turbo Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. On the primary look, Turbo Microfiber is the most common type mop for vinyl plank floor cleaning. In a hotel or hospital where it needs to very sophisticated clean there, Turbo Microfiber can perform better. The first reason is its cleaning pad. Interestingly, this is 360-degree routable. At the same time, this 17-inch microfiber build mop head is perfect to clean the large surface faster. In each bundle of this mop, you will have 2 cleaning heads. The company assures that those pads are washable. That's why after using on your vinyl plank floor you can wash it again for next cleaning. In regular life, people can get used to it, even after 100 times cleaning. As it is adjustable, you can detach or change the pad anytime. Number 2. Bissell Steam Mop. People who want to have a steam mop, Bissell can be a better option for them. If you have children in your house or you need to have tight cleaning, then you should go for this. The most seductive part of this cleaner is able to reduce 99.9% of microbacteria and germs by its streaming. No matter your vinyl plank floor got messy or sticky, you just need to turn on the stream and rub it on the spot. To generate the stream, it has a water container that can contain 350 grams water at a time. It only needs 30 seconds to turn the stream 0 to a high level. This must give you comfort and save your time. All the on, off and stream controlling option is given on its physical system. But it does not have to build a power reservation option. Moreover, it is not important where it has 25 feet long power cord. This is long enough to clean a whole room. Number 3. Bona Premium Spray Mop. To ensure the proper germ cleaning, people often rub the floor with a cleaning solution. The Bona Premium Spray is a hybrid type mop where both of 2 things are possible at the same time. On top of the handle, it has a grip with a trigger. This trigger is used to control the spray. There is another gripper to hold perfectly. Moreover, after refill the container, its weight will be 2.48 kilograms, which is lightweight. Before cleaning it, need to fill up the container with the cleaning solution container. In the market there you will have a cleaning liquid solution of the same company. No matter how long sticky mess you have on your vinyl plank floor, it can clean easily. Number 4. Black Diamond Microfiber Mop. For minimalistic but effective cleaning purpose, Black Diamond Microfiber is an effective mop. Its flexible mopping pad can reach to every edge of your home. This lightweight mop has an adjustable handle that is fit for anyone. It can expand to 60 inches, which makes it more perfect not only for the vinyl surface but also of ceiling or other surfaces. On the box of each Black Diamond Microfiber Mop, you will get 2 microfiber mop pad. Of course, it is removable and able to wash after each time cleaning. It has 385.55 grams weight and durable metal build quality, which is impressive in this budget range, I guess. Besides the vinyl plank, this is perfect for hardwood, stone, marble, and tiles as well as because it. Number 5. Pristine Steam Mop. Some people always want to keep away from chemical cleaning, but they want their vinyl plank floor germs-free. For those people, nothing can be special like Pristine Steam Mop. This is such as steam mop, which can keep your floor 99.99% clean from germs and harmful bacteria. The first significant thing about Pristine Steam Mop is its mopping pad. It has a special triangle shape that looks different from other mops in this budget range. Even in the long run, this triangle shape is more workable for a clean edge in corner of the room. For the pretext of it have a triangle pad, it also a save time too. The most useful part is you can use this on furniture, carpets, even on curtains beside the floor. In order to every need, it can be the best steam mop for vinyl plank floors for office, home, even hospital as well as